How to draw a superior. Alright, let's start again. Yeah, I already told you about the other part. So, first, you kind of make a little curved line like that. But please don't make it too deep. Kind of do it like that. And this one. Okay. As you can see, then you'll kind of make it like that. Over here, it's really different from the others. You'll kind of make like this part. Okay? Then you'll kind of connect another one like that. Then another like that. Okay? Then you'll kind of do that. And like what Servine has. And a little hair poking out. Like that. And like that. And please don't make the neck too long. It might look weird. This much will be fine. Like that. First do it like that. And then you turn back here. Then another. Like that. Then another like that. Okay? Then you'll kind of do that so the body can be covered. Then like that. This one's a really pretty one. I really like this Pokemon. Then you'll kind of do that. Like a little fishing rod doing that. And kind of make a curved line like a hook. Then kind of make a three-leaved. And then like another one. That. Then another one. There. Then we'll kind of do that. Then you'll kind of connect to this part. So you finish this part like tracing it. But now let's go back to the body parts. Like that. Little short curve. Then a long curve. Okay. Then like that. And then another one, but starts with a long curve. Then a short curve. Like that. Then you do that, and then like that. Okay. Then let's go back to the... Oh yeah, I forgot to draw the little arm. But please don't make it so small. Make it a little big. Not that big, but like about this big. It looks like the same, but it's a little big. Okay, let's go back to the face. Okay, the face. You make the eye. It's like Servine's, but then you'll kind of make like that. They'll see over there. Then you'll kind of make that. Then another curved line. He does this. And they make a dot. And that's how to draw a Servine. I mean superior. I keep talking like Servine. But yay! Thank you! for watching.